सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Atishay Limited has secured a new work order worth 149 rupees and 68 paise lakhs from the State Health Assurance Society, Government of Odisha, for printing and delivering PVC Ayushman/Up Panjay Gaje co-branded cards. This order is to be completed within 180 days and follows two previous contracts awarded by the same authority, totaling 550 rupees and 26 paise lakhs to date. This continued partnership reinforces Atishay Limited's position as a trusted provider for government initiatives. Refex Green Power Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary of Refex Renewables and Infrastructure Limited, has been awarded a contract by Coimbatore Municipal Corporation to establish a 250 TPD municipal solid waste-based bio-CNG plant in Coimbatore. The project, valued at 78 rupees and 54 paise crore, will be executed under a PPP model on a FOD basis for 20 years. The project is expected to be commissioned within 19 months from the signing of the concession agreement, which is to be finalized within 30 days of the letter of acceptance dated April 5, 2025. Associated Alcohols and Breweries Limited received an order from the Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax regarding additions to their income for A 2018-19 and A 2019-20 under Section 153C RWS 144 of the Income Tax Act, 1961. The additions amount to 8 crore 58 lakhs rupees for A 2018-19 and 8 crore 87 lakh 50,000 rupees, protective, for A 2019-20. The company has challenged the order in the MP High Court and believes a favorable outcome is likely, based on a Supreme Court judgment. They do not anticipate any significant financial impact. Swiggy Limited has received an assessment order from the Office of the Profession Tax Officer, Pune, for 7 crore 59 lakh 86,813 Indian rupees for the period April 2021 to March 2022. The order pertains to alleged violations of profession tax deduction provisions under the Maharashtra State Tax on Professions, Trades, Callings, and Employments Act, 1975. Swiggy plans to appeal the order and believes it won't significantly impact its financials or operations. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।